measures that could be taken. But I mean, it's kind of frightening when you consider the number of aircraft that were simultaneously hijacked and apparent with, I don't know, I can't say with apparent ease, I don't know, but it did in fact happen, and that's kind of frightening in itself.
Well, Tom Brokaw here, the failure of intelligence here. I know it's always easy to say that at this point, but this is a very sophisticated and obviously widespread, complex operation that was planned. It was very tightly held in the most sophisticated way.
Yeah, Tom, but you and I both know that getting inside the intelligence, getting inside a terrorist group is probably the most difficult type of penetration that you can do. I mean, you've got to have somebody on the inside that can let you know what's going on, and that's not always the easiest thing to do in this type of terrorist organization.
All right, thank you very much, General Norman Schwarzkopf. We
were probably 20 or 30 cops and emergency personnel, and at this point we were thinking, wow, and then suddenly this cloud started moving real fast, as you can see, and it was a dead sprint for about 20 of us. I found the corner and the cloud blew me.
This has been planning this obviously for a very long time.
Thank you very much, Robert Harper, who was one of the survivors, who was just a little bit...
I know going into the building, so... And we were in a building in which we were trapped for about 15 minutes.
Are you talking about did you go immediately to the Office of Emergency Management?
No, I went down to the scene and we set up headquarters at 75 Barclay Street, which was right there with the police commissioner, the fire commissioner, the head of emergency management. And we were operating out of there when we were told that the World Trade Center was going to collapse 10, 15 minutes, and finally found an exit and got out, walked north, and took a lot of people with us.
My question is...
Desperate to stop this tape and go and do something. All we can do is relive the horror each time we see it.